I am at the Lajpat market today and I really want to do some good shopping. So I am going to the Soul store because if you know me, you know कि मैं Soul store के कपड़े बहुत ज़्यादा पहनती हूँ and उनकी quality genuinely अच्छी होती है and usually बहुत new designs होते हैं.
So let's go and see what's the collection like. Here I am at the Lajpat Nagar store of the Soul store and I almost forgot कि ये store कितना cool बना हुआ है. मैं actually यहाँ पे बस second time आ रही हूँ. The first time I came it was on the launch day of the store and यहाँ पे हर जगह graphics है, graffitis है, पूरा store बहुत अच्छे से organized लगता है. The first floor is fully dedicated to men's wear and the ground floor has women's wear, bags, shoes, perfumes. So the first section I went to was this oversized t-shirt section and Soul store की oversized t-shirts मुझे इतनी पसंद है क्योंकि एक तो क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी होती है एंड प्रिंट्स बहुत यूनिक होते हैं. Like you wouldn't find these kinds of print anywhere else. अब टी शर्ट तो मुझे लेनी थी so I decided to go for a classic graphic black t-shirt and इन दोनों में से ये वाली मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई because it was looking so cool, so this I'm definitely buying. And right beside the oversized section there is a section of relax fit t-shirt. तो अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बल्कि लुक की टी शर्ट्स नहीं पसंद है these are for you. And इसमें से I really love this purple one. इस पे लिखा हुआ था हसल नारी which is like so cool. Plus the print quality was great and fit भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था so I got this one also. इसके बाद I check shirts का section and good quality shirts मिलना इतना मुश्किल है लेकिन यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सारे अच्छे designs दिख रहे थे. If you are office going then there are a lot of basic plain options for you but I wanted something more casual. This red one I really liked. It had beaded detailing but the color was a little loud for me. इसके बाद I check this blue shirt जिसका color मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था. It's very summery, very cool but its fit is more like boyfriend fit, relaxed fit and I wanted something more slim fit so I didn't get this one. But then I tried this blush pink shirt that I really loved. इसका येलो वर्जन मेरे पास है so इसको देखते ही मैंने सोचा कि ये कलर तो मुझे डेफिनेटली चाहिए. इसका फिट इतना प्यारा लग रहा था. I loved the sleeves, the zipper detailing, collar, everything was so good. अब टॉप वेयर तो मेरा सॉर्टेड था so I checked out bottom wear collection and bottom wear collection का क्या ग्लो अप हुआ है. There are skirts, jorts, shorts and this one is so cute with embroidery. And if you want to get good pair of denims that's long lasting, doesn't lose its shape or color, then Soul store is it because I've been wearing their denims for 4-5 years and I absolutely love the quality. Then I tried this one on and I loved how it looked on me. The fit, length, detailings, everything was looking so cool. And then I also checked out some trousers. They have a really cool collection of Korean baggy trousers. This is the first one I tried, a classic black one, but this is what got my attention. This cream vanilla trouser that looked so unique so I had to try it on. It looked so cool and I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe and I'm sure मैं इसको बहुत तरीके से स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ so I'm definitely getting this one. There's also this backpack section and मुझे backpack की ज़रूरत नहीं है but they were so cool. Plus the quality was so nice. I really like this Akatsuki one, classic black with like a Akatsuki logo. It looked really cool. But this Benton one, this was so cool and I think my brother would love this. So if you're looking for good backpacks that are very unique in design, I think you should check them out. Now I'm a big sucker for offline perfume shopping because I need to smell it to buy it. So I tried these two. This Evil Twin one which was really nice, really fresh, but this is not something that I would wear on regular basis. Instead I tried this Sugar Bow one and instantly fell in love with it. So I got this one. And last is this sneaker division and क्या मस्त मस्त sneakers थे यार. ये brown वाला I loved it so much and I have no high top sneakers. So I was planning to get this one until I saw this blue one and I was like this is kinda cute and it's unique and it's summery and when I tried this one it was so comfortable so I decided to get this one. And that is it. क्या भर के शॉपिंग करी है मैंने, क्या पैसे फूके हैं, but I think this is all worth it because I know I will wear it a lot. Overall a successful shopping day. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you again.